Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I refresh this third day hair to look this poppin', then just keep watching this video. And I will also have the original wash and go video that I did this look on linked up above and down below, just in case you all wanted to check that out as well. Okay, y'all, so this is day 3 here. My hair was in this pineapple UC for 2 days, and I'm refreshing it. The original products I used when styling my hair was the Day Hair Milk and the Curlastic Brulee, both from the Aloe Rose collection by GROVEDA Hair Solutions. And then this is what my hair looked like when I took it out the pineapple, as you can clearly see. And as you can tell, it really did not look bad at all. It kind of fell into place. It just needs some work. So I'm taking that Day Hair Milk and just spritzing that around my perimeter in any places that I feel that may need moisture. And I'm just, just spraying that here and there just to give my hair some moisture and to bring it back to life. I'm not being light-handed. As you can tell, I'm doing what needs to be done. And then now I'm actually going to take my spray bottle and spray the really frizzy places that need it, which you will see in just a second. I mentioned I am misting the parts of my hair that's really frizzy with water, and now I'm going to kind of go back and forth between the water and the Day Hair Milk just to give my hair the perfect little mixture of them both to help bring this situation back to life. Now I'm going to take my toothbrush with some gel on it and just lay this side down, and then I'm going to go in and do my edges. Any old hairstyle that's a little frizzy, the best way to spice it up is to sleek that side down. That's just my personal opinion, my personal preference, and I think it's very cute. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm laying my edges, and then once I get done with this side, I'm also going to put a little bit of gel in the front of the other section, which you will see in just a second. So after that, like I mentioned, I'm going in just a little bit with a little gel on my toothbrush to lay that down just to add to the sleekness. As you can tell, it's going to look really cute. Just, keep watching. Since y'all saw me put more moisture back into my hair, I'm going to go in with some oil to seal in all that moisture. Although this is a light touch up, I thoroughly believe in sealing in my moisture. And then this oil is also going to add quite a bit of shine to my hair as well, which you can never go wrong with. So yeah. And I'm also doing last minute touch ups. I'm twirling curls around my finger just to get them in place, spritzing some ends that may need it with some Day Hair Milk, and so on and so forth, just trying to get this perfect. And finally, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb to kind of pick my roots to give my hair a bit of volume. Since my hair is the slightest bit frizzy, I was able to get a little bit more volume with my wide tooth comb. But yeah, so now as you can clearly see, I took my hard bristle brush to really lay that side down. But that's about it for this. So as you can see, this is the final result of this quick refresh for day 3 hair using GROVEDA hair solutions. So if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all in my next one. Bye.